Emily, what are you doing? I thought we were going to wait till it got warmer.
No.
No? No, we can't go to the castle because it's too cold and you have on your house shoes and they'll get dirty. And they won't come clean. They'll be ruining your Barbie house shoes. And right now we haven't eaten breakfast. Okay? Oh, what's that sound? Is that a turkey?
No, it's my mouth.
Oh, it's your mouth? You had a cough? Okay. You're already out here though and it's cold, don't you? Whoa, what are all these sounds?
Chicken.
Look at all these chickens. What in the world? Yeah, we'll ride the golf cart later. It's like 9 o'clock. Can we wait a little while? Can we wait just a little while?